this is Linda Aman-AmanArts. I'm in Hawaii and I decided I wanted to have some stencils that I would make from the plants I see outside so I can take them home and use them here as well. So the interesting thing is I'm really blessed with being able to know opposites, and I've cut a lot of this kind of stuff because when you do this, you've got to remember what to cut out and what to leave so it doesn't fall apart. And I wanted each of them different. So you can see that they're going to be a different design by the way I do them. And this one's going to be where I take out the inside. But for the outside to show, I'd have to do this. I have to have a line. And I rarely stay with the lines I actually did on here. They just give me a guide. And this is a really thick paper. And I need to get a new blade in my X-Acto knife. I'm using a cutting board underneath. It's those that you use for like sewing and stuff. And when I take this piece out and do that all the way around, then I'll have it be the outside of it. So it'd be like this here. But I had to keep remembering what stays in and what stays out, because if I cut all the way around, the whole thing falls through, which I've been pretty successful here today. So that is something I'm going to be doing with my stencils. I will also probably use some of the cutouts for some shapes that I can paint as well. So stay tuned.